Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to make picture collage on iPhone. Here are the easy steps to make a picture collage on iPhone using the free shortcuts method built in, no app needed. First, open the shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the gallery tab at the bottom. In the search bar, type photo grid. Tap the photo grid shortcut that appears. Tap Add Shortcut to save it. Go back to My Shortcuts tab. Find and tap the Photo Grid shortcut. Your photo library will open. Choose all the pictures you want and the collage. Tap Add at the top right after selecting photos. Wait a few seconds for the shortcut to generate the collage. When the collage appears, tap the share icon. Choose Save Image to save it to your Photos app. You can open the Photos app to view your finished collage. If you want different layout, simply run PhotoGrid again and select New Photos. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.